All right, folks, so this is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review today on a Quantum Edge 6 power chair. It's basic with a captain seat. Good morning, folks. This is Mark again. We're doing a review this morning on a nice power chair. This is a Quantum Edge 6, an older model, but it has a really good older motors on this. So if you're looking for a nice chair that will go through your yard a lot better than most power chairs out there, this one will go through your yard much better, okay? So it depends how bad your yard is, but this is really a nice inside and outside chair. This power chair right here has a captain seat, so you can fold the seat down. And if you're transporting it, this will be about 32 inches right here. 32 inches is your height. Nice captain seat that goes all the way back to here, and driving, of course, will be here. This is called a pan seat, folks. What that means, a pan seat means you can put your own cushion on it. So I can take this cushion off. You can put any cushion you want. This is kind of a gel foam cushion. This is 18 by 18. On this chair, folks, we're not changing the seat. So if you're buying this chair, you're getting this captain seat and you're getting this 18 by 18 cushion. You might be able to put a 19-inch cushion on it, because even if you had a bigger cushion, it would still fit on here properly. The front footplate does flip up when you exit the chair. The batteries come out from the front. There's two batteries in here. You just push the levers here and they come out from the front. You can see the heavy-duty suspension for this fork, the same suspension for that fork. And if you look in the back, you have the same suspension right here to cover these two forks. If I raise this one, you can see the fork staying down on that side and going up on this side, okay? You have a docking device. This is a strap for the safety belt. You have a docking device if you want to put a basket, oxygen holder, whatever you want to put. There's a docking device right there. If you look at the chair, it's a mid-wheel drive, so it has 6 wheels on the ground. That means it'll turn in its own length. So if I go in a circle, you can see if I stay right there, it'll turn in its own length. So these are solid tires. There's no air. They're not going to mark your floor. You have an anchor point here, and you have 2 anchor points to secure your chair on this side, 2 more on the opposite side. You have a motor for each wheel. So this motor is directly connected to the hub. There's no chain, no belt. If I wanted to push this chair, all I would have to do is push the lever down and push it. But now you notice I forgot to turn the power off, and I'm getting a beep. So if I turn the power off, look how much easier it is now with the power off to push the chair than when the power was on. So always turn your power off before you put it in neutral, and it'll be a lot easier and you won't get this beep. When you're done pushing it, put it back in gear and you're ready to go again. I'm going to turn the power back on, wait a couple seconds, turn it sideways. From outside to outside of arm, you're going to be 26 inches, folks. So that's your magic number, 26 inches from outside of arm to outside of arm. When you charge the batteries on this chair, you take your charger. We'll use this one for example. Plug it right here, and as soon as the light goes to green, the charger will stop charging when the batteries are full. Okay, these are smart chargers. They know when to stop. So this is a used power chair. I'm not quite sure how many miles it has. We can't get the mileage off this joystick. It was used, so if you're looking for a secondary chair or a really nice chair, this one goes 6 miles an hour. It's pretty quick, but it's definitely a good chair for the yard also. Remember, the seat is 18 by 18. This chair has suspension, anchor point, captain seat, safety belt, swing away joystick. You get a lot closer to a dining table with this type of swing away joystick. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side, adjustable headrest, safety belt. Just a good used power chair that should last you many years. Ready to go. So this is the Quantum 6 Edge power chair. Very easy to drive. It responds really good. So I think it's about 6 miles an hour is the top speed. You can see how well it responds, and it stops straight when you let go. Because it has built-in brakes in the motor, so the motors are perfect, no noise, everything looks good. Now I have it on fast, so if I had it on the first speed, this is speed 1. I mean, you're not going to get a ticket at that. That's full speed, speed number 1. What I usually do, because I'm a speed demon, I usually keep it on 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I use this as a gas pedal. So if I push it all the way, it'll take off. So I'm just showing you the extreme, because some of you always want to know, how fast did it go? How fast can you turn? Will it go in the grass? Of course it'll go in the grass. As I said earlier, this one is really good for the grass. It doesn't even slow down. It doesn't lose any speed in the grass. Now, of course, when you're going to go in the grass, you're going to want a hard bottom, you know what I mean? It doesn't matter if your grass is this high, as long as your bottom is hard, it's not sandy or mushy, you know, muddy, this will track really good. This chair is really good in the yard. So this one here has the captain's seat. As I said earlier, you can adjust the seat, the arms go up, you have the swing away joystick, you have the solid tire, the suspension, the anchor point, and these are 4-pole motors. These are really, really nice motors. 4-pole motors, they have more torque than the average motors. This chair's ready. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.